Hey everybody. I'm really excited about today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have some products from someone very special to me, my brother. He's been designing t-shirts and hats and a lot of fashion accessories for a while now, but he officially has a website now. So he's bringing in some different products. I just wanted to do an unboxing of these items. So I'm super excited. So proud of my brother and all the accomplishments he's done. So I just want to go ahead and get this unboxing. So I have this lovely box here, and this is just some of the products. It's not all. So I just have a general box of items. So let's go through it. All right. So the first one I ordered two t-shirts. They are available in different colors. I just got white because I don't know. I just got white, but they are available in different colors. So later on, I'm going to get one that's pink, obviously, because I'm AK. I love pink, and I'll probably get a blue one for my husband. So let's see. I'm going to open up this one. They're pretty much the same. They're the white tees. So the only difference is one's medium, one's large. So I'll just open one. And the company name is Dictate, which you'll see that throughout the presentation. So, all right. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. This is a medium. Dictate. I like it, and then I like the fact you got the little logo on the inside there. Very nice. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Okay. All right. The next items that I have is, of course, we know we have to make sure that even though that there may be restrictions that are we're being told that we don't have to wear masks. People still prefer to wear masks. And I know that there's certain events that still require you, or jobs that may require you to still wear masks. So of course, if you're gonna wear a mask, at least be, fashionable, right? So I bought two masks. Again, one for me, one for my husband. And with the mask, you do have an option of getting a white strap or the black strap. And that's one thing I will say that about my brother, that he's really good about as far as fashion design. He's all about the detail. Like when he designs things, there'll be special things like the buttons might be a unique color to set off the jacket or something like that. Or even if he has a hat, like the rim might have a special lining on the inside, or the rim might have a special detail, like a color stripe or something like that. So it's always those little details that he pays attention to. All right, so here we go. Here is the Dictate mask. I'm gonna take this label off. It's kind of like one size fits all. This is what the mask looks like. The material is very comfortable. It's not stiff. You could definitely tell it's washable. And it's not too thick. The only reason I'm not putting it on my face is because I have makeup. I don't want to mess it up. And also, I see that the straps here have adjusters on it too, which is always good because sometimes it's either too tight or too loose for some of the brands. But that's what it looks like. So you can see this is black, and then you can also get one that's in white. So this is the Dictate in white. So that's the difference. They both have adjusters. So that's that. So we got our t-shirts, we got our masks. So we have the total look. And I'm gonna have to go back for sure. I believe they also have the sweatpants. I'll be honest, when I ordered this, I was so excited. I was like, click, 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 click. So, because I was waiting, because it was, for a while he had announced it, and kind of like to build up the excitement. So I was like, okay, so I just clicked on there. But it's all right though, because that gives me time to get other stuff. So, plus with this Texas weather lately, it's been hot, cold. I don't know what to get. So, all right, so this is the sweatpants. I got this for my husband. It's a medium. It's your basic black sweatpants. I really like these sweatpants because even though they're sweatpants, they're still stylish. Of course, you have the Dictate logo on the leg here. And I like the fact that these pockets are nice. And also, I like the inside too. It's soft. Of course, it's brand new, so when you wash it, it's going to change. But I could tell by the way I'm feeling it that the material, even after it's washed, is still going to be soft. Because you know, sometimes sweatpants, especially if you worn it for a while, it kind of gets rough. So this is good material. And then I also like the bottoms too of the sweatpants because it has like elastic, so it kind of tightens up. So you know how sometimes the bottoms can get kind of like bulky, so this kind of like keeps it all fitted, and it'll be nice, especially if you've got a nice pair of sneakers on. So but yeah, that's nice, and you can get that in different colors too. So I just had the basic black, but I do plan on going back and ordering some more colors, especially again since we're about to go into the spring. You gotta lock those colors. All right, and so my last item, I'm really excited because anybody that knows me knows, like, especially when I'm at home, I'm always constantly like, I have to have my little blanket because I get cold or I just want to relax at home. So I had to get this. This is the one I was waiting on. I'm really excited. Oh my goodness. I'm like a little kid. Christmas. Ooh, this is, I'm not just saying this to be saying this. It's super, super soft. I don't think I'm letting anybody use this. Ooh, it's so soft, y'all. I wish there was a way I could just like throw it and let you feel it. So this is the throw pillow. I mean, not pillow. There's pillows, but this was a blanket. So yes, they do have other items on the Dictate website. And the website, by the way, is Dictate Goods. So I'm going to put it right here so you can see it. DictateGoods.com is where you need to go to get these items. But this is the throw. And as you can see, it says Dictate also. And it's pretty long. Let me actually stand up with this. I know I'm going to be off screen. But, okay, let me see. It's a good size. I'm about 5'11", and I'm wearing boots right now. So I'm probably at 6'1". And I got it pretty much to the top of my head, and I would say it's a good size. I'm trying to go to like the soccer games or something, and it's cold. Actually, I wouldn't want to take this to soccer games. I'm selfish. Nobody's getting this. Nobody. Not even Steven. No. Sharing is caring, except for this Dictate blanket. Woo! I'm sorry, let me have my moment. This feels so good, you guys. Y'all don't understand, like this. Oh my goodness, this is the perfect throw for me. I'm serious, I'm gonna be sitting back, like, watching Netflix. Out of everything for me, the blanket's everything, so. And the mask, because that right there is just like something that's different. So, overall, I love the products. I already knew it was gonna be great because my brother, anything he puts his mind to, he's gonna make it nice. And like I said, the big takeaway from this brand is the details. So this is only the beginning, but I'm just telling you, if you want something fresh that's different, especially if you're a fashion person who likes stuff that's different, that stands out, you want those top pieces, I'm telling you, his brand is the brand to definitely buy and wear because you'll definitely stand out. And it's definitely a good conversation starter, you know, because you ever seen somebody and it's like, wow, I really like that shirt that you're wearing. Oh, I really like that. That's why. I really like the detail in that. You know what I'm saying? So I really, really recommend this brand. Definitely support my brother. Again, DictateGoods.com. And you can't have this throw, so you need to go on the website and get your own. Okay? So that's my unboxing. The box is empty now. empty. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go relax with my throw, which I'm not gonna remove because I'm telling you, this thing feels so great, and I want you guys to have a great day. So please support my brother, and I'm sure my brother's gonna be watching this. I love you, and take care, everybody. And Dictate, get some Dictate in your life. Dictate, support my brothers. All right, take care.